Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is BTS or members fortune analysis. I have received an application for fortune analysis for all BTS members. Bangtan OT7 requested it. All BTS members have their own fortunes. Since I already have individual analysis, I will analyze it briefly by collecting only the characteristics of each 7 people of fortune. RM thinks he's special as a jewel in his fortune, and he's very delicate, although he's a bit picky. RM has a strong energy of letters pointing to him. There is a strong drive and pride to lead life. Input energy is also strong. So it is an advantageous structure for learning and accepting information. In the process of acquiring RM's language, the capacity of this knowledge and information is important and well equipped. And speaking skills are equivalent to art among language skills, and they are also well equipped with that energy. The flow of energy corresponding to art and wealth is a very good structure for celebrity. An intelligent celebrity is RM's fortune structure. Jin is a big tree in fortune. Big trees want to keep growing and be number one everywhere. The energy of the letters pointing to him in his fortune is strong. Strong self means strong self-esteem and drive, and excellent physical activity intelligence. And there is honor and input energy. It is the structure of the energy inflow. These structures are highly capable of performing a given task in the organization. Even if you do more activities in the future, it is a good structure for you to be part of the organization and be managed. A structure with a strong sense of responsibility is Jin's fortune. Suga is on rich land in his fortune. Rich land is very realistic and self-management is good. Suga's energy is strong and the letters that mean honor right next to him are strong. He is a person who has a clear standard of life, has good judgment, and has a strong executive ability for a given task. He is also a good person who works as a celebrity because he has letters that correspond to art and wealth. However, the letters corresponding to art and honor are causing conflict. It means that sometimes his thoughts and agency's thoughts can be different, and challenges can arise in life to break the rules of his life. The letters corresponding to wealth and honor are located at the top of the fortune, which is also a good structure for managers. The structure as a great leader is Suga's fortune. J-Hope is a beautiful flower in fortune. Beautiful flowers like to be gathered together and are adaptable. The letters that mean themselves are very powerful, so they have good confidence, drive, and high physical activity intelligence. So they are also talented in dance and sports. And it has a good attitude to learn because of its input energy. And it also leads to artistic wealth. So it is a very good structure as a celebrity. J-Hope's fortune is a celebrity who learns and tries hard. Jimin is a candor in his fortune. Candors are thoughtful and very delicate. Jimin is very competitive. Even though he looks somewhat weak, because there is a word right next to the letter that refers to him. It has honor and input energy. So it is good to be part of the organization and has a strong responsibility and performance. However, the energy corresponding to art is also very, very powerful. Jimin is a free artist based on organizational activities. V is a beautiful flower in his fortune. Beautiful flowers like to be gathered together and are adaptable. V's fortune structure is very unique. The letters meaning women and wealth are powerful. And input energy is also powerful. This structure is usually seen by educational entrepreneurs. And V is the fortune structure of a businessman who studies. It is a great structure that is smart and always tries to learn and builds wealth through learning. Jungkook is the sun in his fortune. The sun thinks that he is special and he likes giving and fancy things. Jungkook has a neat fortune structure that leads to art and wealth. It is a very neat structure that requires no further explanation. It's a fortune structure that is usually seen by celebrities and businessmen. A fancy artist is Jungkook's fortune. I looked at all the BTS members' fortune. There were many suitable structures as celebrities, and it was a good structure for everyone to live their lives. There were also many good structures to live their lives subjectively, but most of them had a tendency to yield to each other. As many as 7 people needed to be on the same wavelength to work together, but they are all very talented and considerate of each other. So I think they got a good result. I wish you all the best, healthy and happy forever. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.